Hi guys, welcome back to another Ink and Metal 5773 video. Today we're actually going to be talking about Ink and Metal itself, right? About giving some background information about our team. So we'll get straight into it actually. Here just a few sentences about our team. So we're a self-led team of high schoolers ages 14 to 17, 11 members. And as we're self-led, we're also financially, we need to self-lead ourselves financially, and we mainly raise money through fundraiser sponsorships. Right. So the structure of our team, we are well aware that when it comes to forming a team, forming it is easy, but making a structure and developing a sense of order within the team towards who does what, how it functions is crucial towards progressing in FIRST and in general, just robotics. Here we have a team captain who leads the team and manages the progresses of the team, right? It's a checkup on entire team aspect, on different branches of the team. For example, if there's mechanical, outreach, all those divisions, the team captain is ensuring that they are progressing in the right direction they should be, right? And make sure that the entire team is up to date, heads up on what's going on in each division and how the team is doing in the season. Senior advisor is normally, in our case, a former team captain who had the experience and guides the team captain who's making the crucial decisions, arranging meetings, talking about topics, making decisions in their comp time under pressure, and they help the team and really train the new members. Veterans, or here we have them who help rookies learn about important concepts. They have much more experience, and how we do it through veterans is it's really just outside support after they've been in this team, and what they've learned from it, they teach it and pass it on. So about our events, um, as much as robotics and FIRST is about building a robot, it's also really about giving back to the community, and we strongly encourage and follow the principle that we need to really give back to the community, use the knowledge we have to make a change. And thus we make us form strong bondings and connections within our team and the outside world. We taught coding classes, for example, here where we taught Python. Alongside, we also had engineering classes. Both these classes ran for 8 weeks. We taught them several topics, right? As one form, this is introducing them to the coding aspect. Then we have fundraisers, apply for sponsorships, grants throughout the year, as we're significantly underfunded, like I mentioned before, without proper school support. However, we try our best to ensure that beyond those challenges, we can find a solution and continue to progress as a team through the season. And spreading FIRST culture, genuinely just spreading FIRST culture. We motivate others to take part in robotics and FIRST, explain to them how we've learned, what our experiences, what we've learned from it, and really appeal to their interest. For all of those people out there who are willing to form a team, don't know how, we'll be shortly getting to that too. And really what is FIRST, and mentor rookie teams, right? FLO, FTC, or FRC teams. As a matter of fact, there's one event we did called Aflo Mentoring. Here, one of our teams that we mentored had a problem with their robot, right? And under this mentorship, our goal is to guide them and ensure that they can maximize their team efficiency and use their knowledge in the proper place to make the change in any problem they have. And their competition was sadly in 3 days, and we needed to step up quick, make fix changes. And we helped them find the problem in 1 day, right? Pointed out motor issues, screws clashing with motors, right? Wheels. We looked at all these specifics of the robots, broke it down, asked them for the design, and we were able to organize their team to maximize their team efficiency as a result, to ensure equal contribution in their team and ensure not a problem like this ever again happens again. And we modified the target to be more concise and established our first step towards it. Another event we have done is library museum presentation. Here, what we basically did was we just talked about our team and what is FIRST culture, gracious professionalism, right? Creativeness, innovation in libraries, and we help people identify their interests and works towards it. We educated people about how robotics has changed their lives, perception of certain things, as emphasizing collaboration, perseverance skills that come along with participating in FTC. And not even FTC, but robotics in general. Taking the time to look at pros and cons of a design, designing it, building it, and refining and getting feedback, right? Another major event was connecting NASA professionals. Here we talked to Dr. Patterson Hine and our team on new inventions that NASA is working on to get a better insight on how engineering and robotics in the world is functioning around us. We connected with college and high school interns on how engineering has impacted them. And we learned about effective strategies to lead a team, as leading a team is no matter of ease and requires perseverance and consistent follow-up. And this is by far one of our biggest changes in our community. You have a trash hurler here, which was actually inspired by a school teacher at our called Mr. Navarrete. And what happens through this machine is it detects items like trash, compost, recycling, and uses Raspberry Pi. And we implemented it in our school, which and we realized and witnessed 75% reduced littering and exploitation of trash bins. And we could even see people form lines to sort out trash, and we were proud. And trash outside bins reduced to almost none, and this was a significant change we had in our community, and we hope you guys can use your skills and knowledge, not just from robotics, but anything you guys know, to give back to the community. We even have a share app here. We came up with this idea during one of the competitions. The competitions team can share their parts. With COVID-19, we really don't know how it's going to go, but this was an initial idea we had last season near the end, which we thought of developing, and we have started. And this improves really friendship and the idea of gracious professionalism, helping other teams, right? During comp, it's really hectic, and you want to make sure every team has the proper facilities and needed equipment, and no team misses out on that. And we thought Share App can perfectly do that. And this even led to more opportunities to mentor teams, gave us better connections with them, realize what teams need, what teams are working on. And our team evolution, going through team evolution, there's several changes after forming a team in general, and our team is no different. Here, we actually started using Slack and Trello, two communication platforms, and a platform to track deadlines instead of Messenger, which we originally used. And every member we broke down now has a primary and a secondary skill. So for primary skill is basically the skill that the person excels in, has experience, has done before. Secondary is more like they have somewhat of an experience and they want to learn more about it. For example, one can have a primary mechanical and secondary is outreach, or can be vice versa. And we even started using decision matrices to evaluate the significance of decisions and events, be it for outreach, be it for the designing of the robot. It allows us to prioritize our events in terms of execution and even find out better designs for the robot, identifying pros and cons and how the entire thing puts together. And we're able to follow up on our outreach events much more and more effectively as a result. And how our work paid off, we made it to Worlds in 2018, 2019, and 2019, 2020 season. And even in 2018, 2019 season, 23 people tried out for a mechanical division, but in 2019, 2020 season, we realized 35 people were to try out, and the numbers are only increasing and are motivated to work hard to guarantee the best for members to join this team. And this season, 2020 to 2021, we had approximately 45 people we were able to get to participate in our tryout beyond COVID-19 distance learning. And we were able to inspire another team from our own school, inspire another two teams from our own school. We donated money for COVID-19, and we are continuing this process to give back to the community, be it donations, or we even made face shields, face masks to donate. Here there's donateincanmetal.com. If you guys would really like, we'd greatly appreciate if you guys can donate some money. We definitely appreciate giving it back to the community. Really, it's our community. It's essential to help during COVID-19 time. And your turn, really, I'll end it with a quote from our own team. If we're able to make so many differences in our community and others without any outside support, then imagine differences you can make with our support. So yeah, I really thank you all. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video, and see you next time.